Did you know that Mississauga has its own version of the Bridle Path? It's called Doulton Estates, a neighborhood filled with mansions that are just minutes away from downtown. These homes have private tennis courts, nightclubs, and one mansion even has a personal barber shop. These homes aren't just places to live, they are mini resorts. How do I know this? I'm a real estate broker by day, and by night, I am spilling the truth as a content creator. And today we're exploring Doulton Estates, and I'm gonna give you 5 things I love about this neighborhood and the 5 things that I'm just not crazy about. Don't know where Doulton Estates is? It's only 3 streets: Doulton Drive, Doulton Place, and Blythe Road. If you're driving up or down Mississauga Road, you'll probably miss it. It's a short distance from the Mississauga Golf Course. Holy Name of Mary, a prestigious all-girls school, is just around the corner, and the area is only a 25-minute drive to downtown Toronto. First off, let's talk about the good stuff. Number 5, architecture. Doulton Estates is home to some seriously jaw-dropping architecture. These homes aren't just impressive, they're downright mind-blowing. We're talking about everything from modern to classic Italian Renaissance estates, English Georgians to inspired French chateaus. Number 4, since the area backs onto the Credit River wetlands and has a forested area, it is common to see wildlife like deers, rabbits, foxes, eagles, and some not so cute wildlife like roaming coyotes, which are likely to prey on your small dogs. And number 3, the luxury features. Sure, these homes come with a hefty price tag, but they are loaded with luxury features like gated entries, garages so big they can fit 15 cars, indoor pools, elevators, heated marble floors, heated driveways, even heated garage floors. And number 2, land transfer tax break. Here's a little perk for you. Because Doulton Estates is technically in Mississauga and not Toronto proper, buyers get a break on the land transfer tax. That's some serious savings right there. And finally, number 1, the lot sizes. I am talking about acres upon acres of land just minutes from downtown. Some of these properties are just so massive, they can come with their own golf course. One home is located on 10 acres. The homes are set back from the street, tucked away behind lush landscaping, offering residents a lot of privacy, ensuring that residents get their own slice of paradise away from prying eyes. It's like having your private oasis right in the heart of the city. But as with anything, there are some downsides. Number 5, market volatility. These trophy properties, like the ones in Doulton Estates, can be pretty susceptible to market fluctuations, as these market for these homes are really illiquid. Number 4, the staggering costs. These homes don't come cheap. We're talking about $2.5 million for a lot and mansions running up to $37 million. And the property taxes are so high that one home pays over $137,000 for property taxes. Number 3, accessibility challenges. Believe it or not, this neighborhood doesn't even have sidewalks, making it a bit less pedestrian friendly than some might like. Number 2, the size is overwhelming, and so is the maintenance. Some of these homes are so big that they come with a ton of responsibility, and maintaining these properties can be a real headache and a huge expense. You'll definitely need to hire a lawn pro. And finally, number 1, community dynamics. Doulton Estates isn't exactly known for its block parties and neighborhood cookouts. If you're looking for a tight-knit community, you might have to look elsewhere. Real estate is subjective, and what works for one person might not work for another. So what do you think of Doulton Estates? If you could afford it, would you call Doulton Estates home? Let me know in the comments below, and stay curious.